is a creative way to pack jewelry so that it doesn't get tangled as you're moving or when you're going on vacation. So the first one I'm going to show you is what to do for if you're moving or taking a lot of jewelry with you. And for that, I use a large bath towel and I just have it folded in half. And then I'll open it up and I'll lay my jewelry in it, making sure that the chain is nice and straight. I want to begin just a couple of inches from the edge and then continue about every 2 to 3 inches, maybe as much as 4 inches, because I don't want any of my jewelry to get tangled together. Sometimes there's necklaces that are a little bit wider, and if that's the case, I just have to make sure that it will fold properly. This one has a curve that goes this direction, so I'll want to place it face down because that's how I'll be rolling the towel. And then I'll just continue to fill up my towel. If I had any that were too long, I would just loop over the top of the chain so that it got into the roll nicely. So then I fold my towel back over the top of the jewelry and I begin on the one side rolling it up. I want to roll it up somewhat tightly just so that it doesn't come undone. And then I take 2 rubber bands, placing one on each side. And now this is ready to go in the boxes and I don't have to worry about it getting tangled. Now, if I was just going on vacation, that might be a little bit excessive. I don't want to take up that much room in my luggage. So I would do either a hand towel or a washcloth, and I would lay that down, lay my jewelry inside it, fold it over, and then roll it up. And then I would add my rubber bands. You could even do this in a shirt or a pair of pants if you didn't want to take up the luggage space with a washcloth. And that's it. So now these would be ready for me to either travel or do a big move.